Friends, welcome back to Prioritized Health, where we empower you with tips for a healthier and more energized life. Before we dive in, can you please do us a favor? Don't wait when it comes to your health. Subscribe, turn on notification bells and grab our free ebook, The Practical Guide to Balanced Blood Sugar: 15 Foods to Transform Your Health and Energy. Link in our channel video description and comment sections. Let's dive in. Picture this. You wake up to a day where your energy levels are at their peak. Your movements are smooth and free of discomfort, and you never have to think twice about frequent bathroom interruptions. For many, this sounds like a dream, but it doesn't have to be. As we age, prioritizing our health becomes more crucial than ever, especially when it comes to maintaining a healthy prostate. What if just a few minutes of simple, targeted exercises could help you reclaim that vitality and confidence? Today, we'll dive into 4 transformative exercises that can support prostate health, improve energy levels, and boost your overall well-being. These aren't just exercises, they're tools to help you lead a vibrant, active life, and you'll hear stories of real people who made it happen. Let's get started. The Pelvic Bridge. The pelvic bridge is a foundational exercise that strengthens the core and pelvic floor muscles, areas critical for supporting the organs in the lower abdomen. These muscles play a vital role in ensuring smooth urinary function and maintaining overall stability. To perform the pelvic bridge, begin by lying on your back on a flat surface. Bend your knees so your feet are flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Position your arms at your sides with palms facing downward. Press your feet into the floor and gently lift your hips toward the ceiling, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold this position for a few seconds. Then slowly lower your hips back down. Repeat this movement for 10 to 12 repetitions, aiming for 3 sets. This exercise improves blood flow to the pelvic region, delivering essential oxygen and nutrients to surrounding tissues. It can also ease pressure in the lower abdomen, contributing to better urinary comfort. One individual shared how incorporating the pelvic bridge into his routine helped reduce his nighttime disruptions, allowing him to enjoy uninterrupted sleep for the first time in years. The functional squat. The squat is a dynamic, full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups while promoting balance and stability. It's particularly beneficial for enhancing circulation in the pelvic area and supporting hormonal regulation, both critical for prostate health. To perform a proper squat, stand upright with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms extended forward for balance. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, as if sitting in an imaginary chair. Ensure your thighs are parallel to the ground, and keep your knees aligned with your toes. Slowly rise back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Start with 10 repetitions and increase gradually as your strength improves. Functional squats are especially effective for stabilizing the torso and reducing strain in the lower body. A busy professional once shared how this exercise became his go-to activity during short breaks, boosting his energy and helping him stay active despite a demanding schedule. Seated leg presses. Seated leg presses are a low-impact exercise that strengthens the lower body while gently activating pelvic floor muscles. Whether performed with a resistance band or on a fitness machine, this movement is versatile and highly effective. To perform seated leg presses with a resistance band, start by sitting on a sturdy chair. Secure the band around your feet, holding the ends firmly with your hands. Push your feet forward against the resistance. Then slowly return to the starting position. If you're using a leg press machine, sit with your feet on the platform and press forward, keeping control as you return to the starting position. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. This exercise supports joint health and improves mobility, making it ideal for individuals managing age-related changes. A retired teacher shared how seated leg presses helped her stay active and maintain independence, allowing her to continue enjoying activities like gardening and traveling. Quick pause. If you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Prioritized Health. And as a thank you, I'm giving away a free ebook, The Practical Guide to Balanced Blood Sugar. It's your ultimate resource for achieving better health, with 15 transformative foods, simple meal plans, and interactive tools to track your progress. Hit that subscribe button and check the link in the description to download your copy now. Let's continue with today's tips. Gentle yoga poses. Yoga combines physical activity with mindfulness, offering holistic benefits for both the body and mind. Specific yoga poses, such as child's pose and cat-cow, are particularly effective in promoting circulation, reducing tension, and supporting overall prostate health. For child's pose, begin by kneeling on the floor. Lower your hips back toward your heels. Stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the ground. This pose gently stretches the lower back and hips while encouraging relaxation. The cat-cow pose starts on your hands and knees. Begin by arching your back upward like a stretching cat, tucking your chin toward your chest. Then transition into the cow pose by lowering your belly and lifting your head and tailbone upward. Repeat this sequence slowly for 5 to 10 breaths. A longtime yoga practitioner shared how these poses helped her manage stress and improved her overall flexibility. She emphasized the importance of combining movement with mindful breathing to maximize benefits, creating a sense of balance and inner calm. These 4 exercises, the pelvic bridge, functional squats, seated leg presses, and gentle yoga poses, are simple yet powerful tools for supporting prostate health and enhancing overall well-being. By incorporating these movements into your daily routine, you can experience improved energy, better mobility, and greater comfort. Friends, if you're ready to take control of your health and energy, don't miss out on the practical guide to balanced blood sugar 15 foods to transform your health and energy. This free 5-chapter ebook is filled with expert strategies, meal plans, and tools to help you stay on track. Subscribe to Prioritized Health and click the link in the description to download your free copy. Thank you and see you in our next video.